know it's been a minute since I posted something on YouTube, but it's not like I had that much followers to begin with, or subscribers, I should say. But that's not the point of this video. The point is that lately I've been thinking about making a portfolio website, and to make things easier on me, I'm going to be using Webflow for that. I'm not going to be using Webflow for the background stuff because I would want to make it a blog, and I would like to add my own custom settings. So I'm just going to use it for the visual aspects of it, so that way I wouldn't have to spend on most of my time trying to position things correctly. But then again, if you are here because you wanted to find an easier way to make my site, this is the right choice. But the only thing I would say is it's still good to learn HTML, CSS, and JS because that will help you. Just saying. But anyways, what is Webflow? Webflow is basically a site that makes you make website. It has different templates like portfolio templates, business templates, store starter template. You have a lot, and some you have to pay for to use, and some are free. And this is just some of it. And this is what we are going to be using to build my site. Another thing we would be using is Heroku. For those who don't know what Heroku is, I can't log in right now, but let me just go to right here. Okay, so Heroku is basically just it's a hosting platform. You can use any language that you want to code your website in, and it can be more than website. It can even be a, let's say, server for your games and so on and so forth. You can use what language like Node.js, Ruby, Java, PHP, Python, and so on. So we're going to be using this and this to work on our website. Just to show you a little bit about Webflow is, let's create a template. Well, you have to sign up first, just letting you know. So let's say select this, right? And then we say create a template. Alright. Right. This is how it comes out looking. See how good it looks? And you didn't even have to waste that much time writing all of that stuff. Look at this. It's crazy. But we do this, and then we can just easily drag and drop stuff like this. Let's say we want to put this right over here, and boom, it's right over there. But we don't want that over here. Well, it doesn't really matter because we're gonna delete it anyway. And the best thing about it is that if you pay, 1 second, let's open this up real quick. Our website is still right over here. But if you go to account and plans, if you are on the free plan, you would not have the ability to export the code. But if you're on, let's say, this plan, you would, right? But this, you still would, but you have extra stuff. Anyways, and because I am on that plan, I can export my code. So let me show you how that would look like if we did do that. Let's open back this site. And let's click, let it load. Let's get prepare zip and download zip. And then with this, we can let's download it right now. Alright. Okay, so we can come over here and let's say open this with VS Code. Open with code. a second for it to load. So dang, we did that wrongly. 1 second. So let's just unpack this. Then we're going to say open with code. So let's see. How do you unpack us? You know what? Skip it. We're just gonna copy and paste this. Copy paste. Go to our dev stuff folder and now go to this folder, this G, and then let's create a new folder. Let's call this. Let's call this test, and then in this test, we are going to load all these files in. Did we collect all of them? That seems a little bit too small. CSS. Oh, it did load. Oof, my bad. But anyways, let's open this with Visual Studio. And then we can see it already has the JS and everything. So with this, it would just really just speed up the development part on our side, because we don't have to waste that much time, you know, doing the design, the positioning, and all that, since, you know, Webflow already did that for us. And where is the main index.html? Look at that. And once you download it, you can use it. Well, and you can change, edit, and so on and so forth. And how you like it, it becomes yours after that. So yeah, that's just basically all I wanted to show y'all, because this is exactly what we are going to be using to make my portfolio website. But the link will be in the description, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.